If you're importing Chinese auto parts for global markets, you need to watch this entire video. Here's the honest truth most creators won't tell you. Right now, tons of overseas wholesalers are losing money. Not because they can't sell parts. They lose money from bad suppliers, unstable quality, and messy supply chains. One bad batch can ruin your store reputation, kill your profit, and slow down your global business growth. But this APES Auto Parts show changes everything. I walked 2 full exhibition halls, screened hundreds of booths. I vetted trustworthy factory direct suppliers for Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. Today, I'm sharing exactly which parts are worth importing, which factories you can trust, and how to build a stable, profitable global auto parts supply chain in 2026. Listen up, I covered 2 full exhibition halls here. The product range is absolutely massive. These are not small one-part factories. They offer one-stop full coverage for repair, replacement, and complete vehicle restoration. Let me break down every key category and which global markets they fit best. 1. Chassis and suspension parts fastest moving inventory. This is your core bestseller category. First up, complete air suspension kits. North American truck and SUV owners love upgrades. Perfect for North America, Middle East, and Southeast Asian truck and SUV refit markets. We also have every standard chassis part you need. Control arms, tie rods, full linkage sets, stabilizer links, shock absorbers. All built to OEM standards for Ford, Chevy, GMC, Jeep, and many European and Japanese models fitting almost all global markets. Factories use precise CNC cutting and one-piece forging. Tough materials fit rough road conditions in Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia, and also meet strict European and North American standards. Stock is huge, fast shipping available. Small trial orders are welcome. They also support mixed container shipping. 2. Brake system parts high trust, repeat orders. Safety parts always sell steady. This lineup includes brake pads, brake discs, calipers, and full brake assembly kits. These are not cheap low-quality parts. They have high friction resistance, low noise, and great heat dissipation. Fully tested to meet strict highway safety standards in Europe and North America, and stable enough for high-temperature road conditions in the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. This category brings stable profit and high repeat orders for every global market. 3. Engine full assembly and wear parts full maintenance coverage. If you need engine parts, this show has everything. Engine assembly components, gaskets, timing parts, intake and exhaust parts, cooling system parts. All internal wearable parts for routine maintenance, overhaul, or full engine replacement. Every part resists high temperature, aging, and pressure. Most factories hold IATF 16949 quality certification. Every batch gets strict air tightness and durability tests. No random quality issues. Very safe for bulk import to any country worldwide. 4. Exterior lights and body kits restoration and refit hot sellers. Vehicle restoration and exterior upgrades are trending all over the world. North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. We saw full LED headlight assemblies, daytime running lights, and fog lights for all US models. Also complete front face parts, bumpers, grills, grill trims, and full body kits. Perfect for crash repair, old car restoration, and custom exterior refits. This is a high-margin blue ocean market for right now. 5. Electronic switches and controllers small parts, steady profit. Don't sleep on these small electronic parts. Interior control switches, window switches, mode controllers, and body electronic assemblies. Lots of old US cars have worn out or broken internal switches. Global demand is huge and competition is low. Great way to expand your product list and earn stable side profit. After walking both halls, I can confirm one thing. These suppliers offer true one-stop shopping. Daily maintenance parts? They have it. Accident repair parts? They have it. Full restoration and refit parts? They have it. You don't need 10 different suppliers. One source covers almost everything. Many new overseas buyers get tricked at car shows. They mix up real factories and middlemen. I'll show you my simple on-site screening rules. Real source factories show actual proof. On-site production footage, testing machines, mold warehouses, and clear capacity data. They customize parts for global vehicle models. Trading companies only show finished products. No machines, no molds, no testing ability. Their lead times are unstable. Quality jumps up and down. No reliable after-sales for defective goods. After checking every booth across both halls, almost all exhibitors here are real manufacturers. They have independent production lines and full product layouts, perfect for long-term partnership and one-stop bulk buying, because their product lineup covers all vehicle types. They can serve every major global market with flexible cooperation deals. First, full container bulk orders. Great for large wholesalers who need steady full category inventory. Second, mixed small container trial orders. You can mix chassis, brake, engine, light, and electronic parts in one small container to test Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, or African markets with zero risk. Third, OEM and private label service. Build your own brand and boost your market competition. Quality control is solid. Every batch comes with official inspection reports and full traceability. Production schedules are stable, no random delays, no inconsistent batch quality. These supply models work for all global sales channels. European local auto shops, North American auto malls, South American distributors, Southeast Asian retailers, Middle East traders, and African importers can all use these solutions. No matter your country or business size, these parts fit your local market demand. Alright, that's the full trade breakdown from this APES Auto Parts show. Quick question for you guys. Which global market are you mainly serving? Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, or Africa? Chassis parts, brake parts, engine parts, or refit accessories? Drop it in the comments below. I'll deep dive the top trusted factories in your niche in my next video. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I post real, on-site industrial exhibition content, breaking down China's auto industry and full manufacturing supply chains for global importers every single week. If you want reliable factory resources, stable import solutions, and first-hand insider info for global sourcing, this channel is exactly what you need for your long-term business growth. I've got tons more auto industry and manufacturing videos coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.